The Harley-Davidson Low Rider ST is essentially the same as the motor company's Low Rider S, but with a frame-mounted fairing and a set of hard panniers that provide 50 liters of storage. The dimensions are almost identical, same 18.9-liter fuel tank, same suspension, same brakes and same engine. The main differences are a 10mm increase in ground clearance for the ST, which also pushes the seat height from 710mm to 720mm, and with the extra kit included the ST is heavier than the S. The frame-mounted fairing provides good protection and is a welcome addition that turns what would normally be a bike better suited to around-town duties into a bike you can load up and head away on. Having the fairing mounted to the frame doesn't add weight to the steering, so apart from having more weight over the front, there's no real negative effect. The ST's instrumentation consists of a small digital tech gauge integrated into the handlebar riser's top clamp, which keeps things clean and simple at the handlebars. The display is laid out clearly, but it's not incredibly bright, and it can be hard to read in the sun or while wearing a tinted helmet visor. The Low Rider ST is powered by the 117C Milwaukee 8 HD's largest production engine. Power delivery is smooth but immediate. As the Cycle World Dyno chart shows, the torque curve shoots straight up from idle. The M-8 produces over 100 pound-feet for nearly the entire usable rev range, hitting its peak of 114.79 pound-feet at 3,470 revolutions per minute. With no ride modes or traction control, this power is surprisingly clean and usable. It ramps up steadily, matching the throttle action, which gives the rider great control at low speeds. The suspension story is the familiar Harley cruiser affair, with a non-adjustable Showa 43mm inverted fork and hidden monoshock on the rear with hydraulic preload adjustment. Twin 300mm discs and 4 piston calipers on the front and a 292mm disc on the rear with a twin piston caliper. The Low Rider ST takes the now proven Low Rider S formula and adds classic styling, wind protection, and storage. All of these additions enhance rider comfort and long-distance capability while refreshing the design in exactly the way customers have been asking for. It's a bike that feels very right now.